The tumbler's advanced brushless motor is a standout feature, providing exceptionally quiet operation that makes it suitable for use inside your home without causing a disturbance. Its generously sized, 3-pound capacity barrel is constructed entirely from soft rubber, which not only dampens noise, but also allows you to polish a substantial batch of rocks simultaneously. This comprehensive kit arrives with everything a beginner needs to start immediately, including a 1-pound assortment of rough rocks and 4 stages of polishing grits. A scientifically designed 4-step polishing process, complete with high-quality grits and ceramic media, ensures your rough stones can be transformed into beautifully polished, professional-looking gemstones. It serves as an excellent educational tool for all ages, demonstrating the fascinating geological process of turning ordinary rocks into smooth, gleaming treasures. Built for longevity, with features like a durable stainless steel lid and an included spare drive belt, the tumbler is also backed by robust customer support for long-term peace of mind.